Tips and tricks to avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistakes. Tips and tricks to avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistakes. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, bonjour, bonsoir, mes amis, guten Morgen, guten Tag, guten Abend. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTW 24 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-magdi.com. Tips and tricks to avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistakes. Recently, I received an email for a trader that was pointing to me that we have a cup and handle chart pattern on the monthly chart of the euro dollar currency pair. All right, so this is true. All right, this is true. What the trader have noticed is correct, because if you look carefully on this now, because on a monthly chart you cannot see it clearly, but because now I change my time frame to the weekly chart. Okay, this is what we call zoom into the chart. So you can see that the price went down like this and then went up again and then pulled back, forming a handle here and was going up. Okay, so this trader clearly have seen this a cup and handle chart pattern. We have to say that the correct place for the cup and handle chart pattern is during an uptrend, but there are some exceptions. This is one of the exceptions here of the cup and handle chart pattern. All right, if you want to learn to master the cup and handle chart pattern, go to George Trio YouTube channel and YouTube search the video that we call How to Trade the Cup and Handle Chart Pattern. Or in fact, the title is "It is the most powerful bullish continuation chart pattern." That's the title of that video. Okay, is this the most powerful bullish continuation chart pattern? And then you can watch that video to learn to master the cup and handle chart pattern. Okay. So talking about the euro dollar and the FX trading mistakes, what I've said to traders, because all right, if one is trading, there are different stages that traders go through, which I talked about with another trader yesterday. Trader goes to different stages. The first stage is the exploration. One is exploring, the technical trading, the stochastic MACD technical indicators, trading method, trading system. All right, that stage is the learning stage, which is very, very important for traders. It can take up to 4 years for trader. Some trader may take up to 4 years just exploring the market. All right, but it's not good to keep it too long. All right. But with this video, you will be able to start, making a bit of progress. I've done exactly the same thing like many other traders. That's why I can understand traders clearly, all right? So you will go, especially when it comes to Friday, I was spending most of my time in front of my computer trying to figure out, what is happening in this messy financial market, all right? Especially talking about the Forex trading. There are things that we want to know and understand, And in this tutorial, I want to show you one little, trick that you want to pay attention to that can help you avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistake, all right? I have talked about it many times, and I think I should mention it again to traders, all right? What I have discovered is what I call market stable data, or market principle, or the truths in the financial market, talking about technical trading, all right? I have discovered that if one is using, any type of trading method, or if one is using any technical indicator, if one is using, Fibonacci, pattern, if one is using Elliott pattern, there is one more thing that one should always be aware of, is the market pattern, So let's look at this chart now. Which market pattern do we have here? We have a consolidation, The euro dollar is consolidating. Now, the reason why we say euro dollar or FX trading mistake is because the euro dollar is the leading currency pair, the number one currency pair. All right. So it's a consolidation. So once I look at the chart, the first thing that I am looking for, or the first thing that a trader, FX trader, must pay attention to, is the market pattern. So if you do not have the monthly chart, pay attention at least to the weekly chart market pattern. So now I'm on the weekly chart. Here it is. The market pattern is a consolidation. So the first thing that will click into your mind to avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistake is that draw a line like this. So this is a consolidation in horizontal channel. We can also have a consolidation in a triangle. All right. So generally, when we are talking about consolidation, we are talking about horizontal channel. Okay. So draw a channel, and then there are three things we are looking for. The upper side of the channel, which is what? The selling zones, all right? The lower part of the horizontal channel, which is the buying zone, and the midpoint, all right, which is the dividing line between the bullish zone and the bearish zone. Because as the price crosses above the median line of the horizontal channel, the bullish traders will become more, okay, aggressive. All right, they don't want the price to go back below the median line, because once they push it from the lower part of the consolidation, which is the bullish zone, and they bring it all the way up to above the median line, they want to push it to the bearish zone. All right, and once they reach that level, they will take profit. So, but remember, they do not take profit at one place. They are taking profit gradually. So trader who bought it at the lower part of the consolidation will take first profit near the median line. Some traders that are very conservative will prefer to buy near the median line. So more buyers will join the first buyers. So the first buyers at the lower part of the consolidation. More buyers will join the first buyers near the lower part of the consolidation. And the first buyers will take first profit near the median line. And again, as more buyers join them near the median line, they will push it to the top of the consolidation. And most bullish traders will take profit at the upper side of the consolidation. And they will wait again. So bearish traders that are waiting here, all right, which is the bearish zone, those are the first sellers. So they want to sell it down. Okay, they sell it as if the price comes near the median line. They will take their first profit. More sellers will join them near the median line. And because as the bearish traders sold it down below the median line, they don't want to leave it. They want to push it down to the lower part of the channel. As more sellers join them here, they will push it down. Okay? So this is just very, very important. So, all right? So whenever you see a consolidation, this is the first thing that should click into your mind and know exactly what's happening. So when we see the euro dollars, we look at it now. We know that this is the leading currency pair. All right. We know that there are sellers here. People are selling here. There are orders here to sell. Okay. We know that. Okay. There are also buyers at the lower part of the consolidation here. All right. But sometimes, what are we looking for? When we are talking about consolidation, all right, another thing I need to clarify. Anytime you look at the price, okay, think of what we call, okay, how should I put it to you now? The heart of the price action, all right? So, some traders say consolidation from here, but you can see that the price touches one time here and second time here, okay? So for me, this line here at 10462 is not as important as this line here, the line at 10865. What do I mean by that? Okay, when we are talking about the heart of the price action, if you look at this consolidation here, the heart of the consolidation is in fact between the level of 144, 11448, 11448, and this level here, 10865. So you may say that 90% of this consolidation is taking place between 11448 and this level here, 10865. All right? But this is what I want you to understand. So whenever you see a consolidation, ask yourself, where is the heart of the consolidation? Sometimes you may see that though we have a bigger horizontal channel from the lower part to the top here, The consolidation can be concise into this level here. Okay, 11448, and this level here, 10865. This is bringing us to what we call core value, all right, or the heart of the matter. Okay, this is it. So the consolidation, in fact, is between 10865 and 11448. So there are sellers here and there are buyers here. Now, where we want to know also the median line. The median line is somewhere near the pink line here at 111.22 for the euro dollar. So those who are buying near the level of 10865 are taking their first profit near the level of 111.22. And then there are more buyers joining them, bringing the price near the level of 11448. Okay? All right? We are talking about tips and tricks to avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistakes. Let's move on. Okay? Those who sold it here, so when the price goes up to this point here, all right, there are sellers here. They will sell first time, price will come near the pink line, there will be a bit of profit taking, see, bounce, and then more sellers joining them, and they will sell it, try to push it down again, all right, to the lower part of the consolidation. Sometimes you may see that the price may change direction. So if the consolidation is underway, okay, if the bullish momentum is increasing within that consolidation, we will start seeing higher lows, higher high within that consolidation. But to avoid, okay, euro dollar or FX trading mistake, one must focus on the what? The market pattern. So bringing us to the point, what I was saying to you, that a trader sent me a chart, see there's a cap here and a handle here has been formed. Okay, as the price started going up, it reached the top of the consolidation. It was made by the sellers. Okay, now we have again another cap here, followed by handle. So we have another cap and handle here, another bullish chart pattern. Price going up, is stuck again near the consolidation. Again, we have here the most recent one, a cap, and this is the cap, a handle on the weekly chart. This is again, okay, a bullish progression. Here again, last week, we see that there are traders selling here. So the point I want to make, or what I want you to understand, okay, is this. All right? When we see a chart pattern, okay, a Fibonacci pattern, all right, an alien wave pattern, when we are using any trading system, all right, any trading method, any trading strategy, when we are using any technical indicators, all right, the market pattern will determine, okay, the efficiency of our trading method. So, though traders can see, okay, a cap and handle on this chart, the first thing that they should never ignore is the market pattern, because the market pattern controls everything else. It makes sense? So whenever you apply, you take a signal, think of the market pattern. Whenever you apply any trading strategy, think of the market pattern. With that, you will start improving your FS or euro dollar tradings. It's a powerful tool. And because the reason why I have been looking for years what is intact, I was just looking for something that remains intact in the market, because there are so many things one can learn, so many things one can do, many trading systems, many trading strategy, Fibonacci, technical indicators. So what is not changing? Okay, the market pattern is not changing. So this is just few tips and tricks, okay, to highlight what we are doing. You are on any time frame. You want to know first the market pattern, okay? So I'm going to go now. I'm going to look at the pound-dollar currency pair, and I'm going to ask you what is the current market pattern. All right, what is the current market pattern on this weekly chart? The current market pattern for the British, okay, the dollar British pound currency pair is what? Is a declining channel. All right, you see here the blue channel, it's a declining channel, yes or no, on the weekly chart, okay? So the strategy that trader will use here is to look for opportunity to sell on the edge of the declining channel, All right? Priority to bearish signal on the edge of the declining channel. All right? But once again, whenever we see a channel, there's always a median line. So what is happening now? Traders are the bearish traders are becoming very aggressive. They are not even allowing the dollar British pound to go below, okay, to go above the median line. But don't forget something. If the price is going down, so now there's another thing. I don't want the video to be too long. I'm going to talk too much, okay? The price must form lower lows, lower high if it's going down. But again, we are in a declining channel. What is the price doing? If the price is in a declining channel, it is compulsory that we have lower lows and lower high. The market pattern, so you are day trader, you are swing trader, the market pattern will simplify everything else that we do. This is how some traders trade every day. They are just using the market pattern. Let's look at another financial instrument. Okay, here it is. The Australian dollar Swiss franc currency pair. This currency pair very often will go in the same direction like the euro dollar currency pair. It can be tricky to trade this currency pair, especially during the Asia session. Stay away from it, okay? So the current market pattern is a consolidation. So, but you may see other chart pattern. You may see a Fibonacci pattern. You may see an Elliott wave pattern. But the first thing you want to concentrate on is the market pattern. That will keep you on the right side of the market. So if you have a rising channel, you will be giving priority to bullish chart pattern, bullish signal, bullish trading strategy, okay, understanding what is taking place. In a declining channel, you will be giving priority to bearish signal, bearish chart pattern, bearish trading strategy, expecting the price to form lower lows, lower highs. So the definition of an uptrend, the definition of a downtrend, and the market pattern will help traders, okay, to avoid the euro dollar or FS trading mistake. Though we are talking about FS and okay, euro dollar, what we are discussing today is true for those who are trading stocks, those who are trading, okay, all right, any other financial instrument, okay? It makes sense? The market pattern before anything else. So before we hit the buy or sell signal, one should always check the market pattern. On the signal time frame, on the entry time frame, on the trading setup time frame, especially on the setup time frame. All right? That will help us make excellent trading decisions. Very simple. So the reason is a trader has asked me a question about, George, how can we boil it down? Support, resistance, market geometry. The bottom line, our market pattern will control everything. All right? The market pattern, which we simplify, somebody say, George, tell me in 5 minutes, why do I need to improve my FX trading? Why do I need to improve my stock trading? Why do I need to improve okay, my indices trading? I would say market pattern before anything else. This is about tips and tricks to avoid euro dollar and FX trading mistakes. You may see a bullish chart pattern. Remember that the market pattern first before anything else. All right, so we want to align, okay, chart pattern, trading signal, trading strategy with the market pattern. This will help us improve, okay, our trading method. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about tips and tricks to avoid euro dollar or FX trading mistakes. Speak to you soon.